Meatloaf wreath with eggs is a festive twist on classic meatloaf, baked in a ring mold with boiled eggs hidden inside and decorated to look like a Christmas wreath. The hearty, juicy meat pairs beautifully with a sweet and tangy sauce, and the colorful vegetables add a cheerful holiday touch. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and chop fresh garlic cloves finely and chop brown onion finely as well. Heat a frying pan with oil and cook the chopped garlic until aromatic. Then add the onion and cook until soft but not browned. Let the mixture cool. Meanwhile, combine the panko breadcrumbs and milk in a medium bowl and set aside. Chop parsley finely. In a large bowl, put the ground beef and pork, add an egg, salt, pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. Then add the softened breadcrumbs, chopped parsley, and cooled onion. Mix very well using a spatula or by hand. Now grease a ring-shaped mold with a bit of oil and put half of the ground meat mixture. Pack the bottom half of the mold like that and place boiled eggs at equal intervals. Pack the rest of the meat and bake in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes until cooked through, and remove from the oven and let it rest for 10 minutes. Next, we make the sauce. In a pot, mix ketchup, brown sugar, vinegar, and soy sauce, and pour the juice from the meatloaf in a saucepan. Heat and reduce the sauce for a couple of minutes. Carefully unmold the meatloaf and place it on a plate and pour the sauce over it. Garnish with colorful vegetables such as cooked broccoli, cherry tomatoes, and a yellow bell pepper cut into star shapes like that. Meatloaf with boiled eggs inside is a popular Western-style dish for celebrations in Japan. The egg in the center adds a festive look, making it perfect for holiday tables. We hope you give this a try.
美味しい。美味しいね。